Hello everyone, I am a student of CATCH25 Science Academy and today I am going to capture one of the most important chapters in botany section for Neet, that is anatomy of flowering plants. The biggest challenge in understanding this chapter is the transverse sections of root, stem and leaves. Today we are going to understand the transverse section of dicot roots like never before. This structure is of a typical dicot root where we can see different regions. The first is the root cap. Then there is the region of meristematic activity. Then the region of elongation. And then the region of maturation. In the region of maturation, we can see these root hair coming out of the epidermal cells. As we know, epidermal cells are also known as epiblema or pyliferous layer. This much all of us must have understood easily in morphology of flowering plants chapter. The challenge begins now. If you look in NCERT, it will take time to understand this diagram. So we decided to take up this challenge and make it simpler. Let us come back to our model of dicot root. Suppose if we cut this root in transverse section at this point, then this part will get removed. We will be left with this much part of the root. Now let us look at this from above. So the hair-like looking structure is the root hair. Next is the epidermis layer. This layer is parenchymatous in nature. After epidermis, we have the layer which is multi-layered, which is shown in green, is the cortex. The innermost layer of cortex is endodermis, and this part is the most important layer. NCERT has given that this layer has barrel-shaped cells, which is seen. This is a radial wall and this is the tangential wall. These two walls are filled with suberin. This strip is called Casparian strip. Water cannot pass through this Casparian strip, so water has to pass through cell. Layer inside endodermis is pericycle. Inside pericycle, we have vascular bundles. In dicot root, we see radial arrangement of vascular tissue. So hence, you can see every radius had xylem and phloem, not both. Between vascular tissue, we have conjunctive tissue. And then, in the center, we have pith. So this is how exactly dicot root looks like internally. If you like the explanation, press like button, post a comment and share it with botany students. Thank you.